Hello, we're just packing up for the Isle of Skye. Now we're in the front now where my dad's drives and my mum sits. This is what the driving place looks like. This is what the front of a Rastri bus looks like, which is my camper van. And this is what the boot looks like for now. That's because we're just packing up for the holiday. The holiday is tomorrow, and as you can see, I don't have mummy right now because she's at work. I think Daddy's fixed it. Have you?
No, I thought he had.
No, he hasn't. He thought he had, but he hasn't.
There's the exhaust on the floor. So, improvise. situation is, we've decided it's too bloody cold.
Too cold.
So it looked very nice when we first parked up and we maintained our heat for all of half an hour.
Until Ben decided to open the window and fly the bloody toy outside and leave the window open.
That's the production. But yeah, it's pretty cold. So we're going to go find somewhere new.
Somewhere sheltered.
Somewhere sheltered. We don't know if we'll find anywhere, but it's going to be better than here, I think. So that's what we're doing now. We're getting ready to go.
The dog is going to go under bed soon because the sofa transforms into a bed, like a little bit like a transformer.
And there's the most ridiculous looking creature you've ever seen wearing a snood.
Hey, I think it's in mom.
First night while camping properly. I thought it was alright.
You slept.
I thought it wasn't too cold. The thing that was most annoying was this creature down here. Wasn't it? Licking his paws at 2 o'clock in the morning. Yes, you will look guilty. So now we're going to have a brew and we're going to head into town, I think, to go do something a bit warmer today. Think of our first real night of wild camping, Jasper.
It's really good. I was expecting wild animals, but there wasn't because we're just literally at the side of the road.
One fish, one smoked sausage, one normal sausage, and one amazing view.